Today we're going to investigate multiples. Every week, Jabril earns $5 for doing chores. How much will he have earned after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks? Sir, will you explain your thinking on this, please? Nice and loud.
So I think it's basically because after 1 week, it tells us right here.
Mm-hmm.
Jabril earns $5 for chores every week. So after 1 week it's $5, and then 2 weeks 10, and then 3 weeks 15, and then 4 weeks 20.
I love what was said about this idea of skip counting. More or less, this is what you're going to be doing today is skip counting, okay? So this idea of multiples, I want to be really clear because fourth graders get this mixed up. Factors, if you remember, factors are the two numbers. Factors are like the numbers you multiply together to equal the what? What do we call the answer? Yes? What's that? What is it? Right in front here? Product, okay? Two factors multiplied together to get the product, okay? So when you're looking at a product, the factors are going to be less than the product, okay? With multiples, it's basically skip counting. And why are we doing all this? What are we trying to improve besides our life skills? What are we trying to improve besides our life skills? Yes. Our fluency of what? Which operation have all these been about this week? Of multiplication. We're trying to improve our fluency of multiplication. So, with these factors, let's say you're looking for, I'm sorry, not factors of multiples. Let's say you're looking for the multiples of, let's say 7, okay? Basically what it is, I don't have enough eyes here. I think I say that for every video. Basically what it is like 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3. So maybe it says find the first 5 multiples of 7, okay? 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2, any help? 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5. It's just as simple as that, and I love this thought process about how multiples are like skip counting, okay? So in some cases, you'll be asked to find the first 5 multiples of 10. Let's just do number 1 together. We can count it out. What's the first multiple of 10? What's the second? What's the third? What's the fourth? What's the fifth? Exactly. So basically, it's skip counting. And the way that you would skip count is by multiplying by the successive whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I was looking for the 10th multiple of 7, what would I multiply 7 by? No, 10. 7 times 10 would be the 10th multiple of 7.